Hi, my name is Mica. I'm one of the chefs here at the Santa Fe School of Cooking. Do you cry when you cut onions? Is chopping things turning into just a real drag? It's probably because your knife is dull. So, here at the School of Cooking, we use these on our knives, and we use them every day, all the time. We actually started selling these here at the store because all of chefs carry these in their knife bags. So this is how they work. You turn your knife over, and you're gonna take this, there's two little pieces of I believe tungsten in there, and you're gonna take it, you're just gonna drag it across the surface of your knife. Now, all knives are made the same way. They have a very thin metal edge. As you use that knife, and when it comes into contact with your cutting board, that thin metal edge begins to bend and create burrs, and then the burrs begin to accumulate. The higher the accumulation of burrs, the duller your knife becomes. So if you have a really nice knife and it's just not doing what you need it to do, this is gonna help. So you take it and you run it like this until you don't hear or don't feel any of the burrs anymore. And this is gonna bring this right back into temper. Right, this is gonna bring this right back into temper so that you're gonna make nice, smooth, even cuts and probably cry a lot less when you cut onions. If you're interested in getting one of these, you can find these on our website, santafeschoolofcooking.com. The cheapest favor you will ever do yourself in the kitchen.